up, Kuya Will? How you been, man?
What's up, Kuya?
I've been watching your videos on YouTube.
Thanks, bro.
You know what you should be doing next? Chicken adobo.
Before we get started, let me tell you, authentic ingredients are key to making the best chicken adobo. Try to grab some of this Filipino soy sauce and cane vinegar from your local Asian market. If you can't, substitute with regular soy sauce and white or apple cider vinegar. Now let's talk chicken. I like to clean my chicken with a little vinegar before cooking. It's a cultural thing, and while you can skip this step, I think it makes a difference. I'm all about prepping food with care, so I'm cleaning my chicken. Let's move on to the marinade. For this recipe, I'm using dark meat, specifically 3 pounds of chicken leg quarters. Dark meat just tastes better, y'all. It's tender, flavorful, and adds richness to the adobo. Trim off any excess skin and fat, but leave a little for flavor. This next step is another cultural thing I do, but my Filipino friends do it as well. Cut the chicken into smaller pieces to expose the bone marrow. Separate the drumstick from the thigh, then chop the thigh into 3 pieces. Take your time here, no rush, no missing fingers, alright? The marrow renders into the sauce, giving it this insane depth of flavor. Now garlic lovers, this step is for you. You'll need 10 cloves of garlic, and the more, the better. Smash and mince them. Smashing not only makes them easier to chop, but also releases that bold garlic aroma. Come on now, who doesn't love garlic? Add the garlic to the large bowl with your chicken. Pour in 3/4 cup of soy sauce. This Datu Puti sauce, hands down, is the best I've tried. Let me know in the comments below what y'all think. After, add 3/4 cups of cane vinegar, 1.5 teaspoon of black peppercorns, and 4 bay leaves. This combination is a beautiful thing. Don't be scared to get in there and mix everything together thoroughly. Just make sure your hands are clean first, please. For the best flavor, marinate the chicken in the fridge overnight. If you're short on time, let it sit at least 1 hour. Trust me, the longer it marinates, the more flavorful your adobo will be. While the chicken marinates, let's step it up a notch and make some toasted garlic oil for searing. Simmer 15 cloves of garlic in a half a cup of vegetable oil at 245 to 250 degrees for 10 minutes or until golden brown. Keep an eye on it, don't burn that garlic. Strain the oil and set it aside. And here's a bonus. The leftover confit, spread it on some toast with a sprinkle of salt, and you've got a quick gourmet snack. Thank me later. Alright, it's searing time. On medium heat, heat up about 5 tablespoons of the toasted garlic oil we prepared and start searing the chicken. The searing process gives the chicken a slightly crispy texture and locks in the soy marinade. It also gives your chicken a nice brown color. As you can see, I have to do this step in batches because of the size of my pot. But if you could do it in one shot, good on you. Sear chicken for 4 minutes on each side. Look at that beautiful brown color already. I can't wait. Like I said, if you're doing this in batches, follow the same steps and then remove it from the pot. Make sure you keep all that crispy goodness in your pot. Next, saute 1 medium chopped onion. That's about 1 cup in the same pot for 5 minutes. As the onion cooks, scrape up all that fun. Like I said, make sure you keep those brown bits on the bottom. This step lays the foundation for your sauce. Pour in the leftover marinade and 1 1/4 cup of chicken broth. You can use water, but come on now, broth adds way more flavor. Bring the chicken back to the pot and make sure each piece gets cozy in the liquid. Cover and cook on medium-low heat for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, stir the chicken to prevent it from sticking to the bottom. Crank up the heat and let it cook for another 7 to 10 minutes to reduce and thicken the sauce. By now, your chicken should smell absolutely amazing. Once the chicken reaches an internal temp of 165 degrees, it's ready. Turn off the heat and just look at that glossy, rich adobo sauce clinging to that chicken. Boom. Make sure you like, subscribe, and always remember, where there is a will, there is a way. Peace.